What if you made your pyramid upside down or inverted? Time to try it out. Start by creating a new for loop. Declare your iterator I and assign it to the value of count. Then use a boolean false for your condition and iteration statements. Okay, so we have to create a for loop for and then the condition of our loop, and then the code block for our for loop. And wait, I forgot about the syntax. So for loop JavaScript syntax because I forgot. For oh yes, so it's consists of for itself and then the initialization, condition, and iteration. Okay. It says here iterator let I be assigned to the value of count. So that's our initialization of our for loop. Then use the condition false for our condition. So if false, okay, so if it's strictly equal to false, then we would iterate it with incrementation operation. For loop use false. Oh, false only, I see. What? Ah, not only our condition, but we would use false also to our iteration statements. Okay, nice.